So guys, my name is Rhaps. See that? Rhapsody is my name. My real name. They call me Rhaps for short. Um, Grew up in Lahaina. I've been fishing since baby time. You know, and I do what I do. I take people out fishing because as I was growing up before, nobody really take you out there. You know what I mean? You're on your own. So I promised myself when I grow old, then I'm gonna show the knowledge to everybody who like to learn. Um, I fish on my day off or whenever I can, and most of the time we land one. Sometimes we don't. That's why you call it fishing. So tonight we'll see. Hopefully we land one.
As Butters Bell from Ulua.
Here we go.